After a Deepavali festival, Indian equity market has been remain volatile. Yesterday, Nifty which has corrected around 300 points, Sensex which has corrected around 900 points. But today, so market has recovered a lot. So Nifty has recovered around 200 points, Sensex has recovered around 700 points. Overall, it has been a roller coaster ride. There are many factors which has been impacting the Indian equity market. That's the reason I think for some more days Indian equity market can remain volatile. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I would like to discuss about the factors which are impacting the Indian equity market, and I would like to discuss about Nifty technical levels. Friends, you can stay till the end because we will be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. The first one is US election. US is one of the largest democratic country in the world. In USA, elections will be held in every 4 years. As well as US is one of the most powerful country in the world which can influence the entire globe. As well as US president, he is one of the most powerful man in the world. He can impact the entire world. He can influence the entire world. That's the reason across the globe market has been remain volatile. In the same way, Indian equity market is also has been remain volatile. Right now, there is a tough competition is going on between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. That's the reason foreign portfolio investors, they are going to be a net sellers in Indian equity market, and they are waiting for election result to come. Once they will get the clear picture, I think foreign portfolio investors, they are going to be a net buyers in Indian equity market. Until then, they are going to be a net sellers. That's why Indian equity market, which has been remain volatile. Second one is China's economy. After COVID pandemic, China was facing big time slowdown. To support the Chinese economy, China government, which has announced lot of economic policies, economic packages to support the Chinese economy. That's the reason right now, if you compare with the Indian equity market and China market, right now China market, which has been looking very attractive, that's the reason foreign portfolio investors, they are selling in Indian equity market, they are investing into Chinese market. So that's why Indian equity market, which is in a correction mode. But this problem is going to be a short-term problem. In the short term, they may invest into Chinese market, but in the long term, foreign portfolio investors, they cannot ignore India because India is one of the fastest growing economy in the world. Next one is company earnings quarterly result. Most of the Nifty 50 companies, their quarterly result, which is below the expectation, as well as heavy weightage companies such as Hindustan Unilever, Nestle, Reliance, their quarterly result, which is below the expectation. When results are below the expectation, obviously, which can impact the market in a negatively. That's why market is in a correction mode. Now the question is how much market will correct, from which level it is going to bounce back. Friends, nobody can predict the exact bottom of the market. Nobody can predict where market is going to sustain. But with a technical analysis, we are going to get some rough idea where market is going to sustain, from which level it is going to bounce back. Friends, with the help of technical analysis, we are going to get some rough idea where market is going to sustain, from which level market will bounce back, from which level market is going to correct. Friends, it can be any company, any script. It always trade with a trend. It always trade with a support zone and resistance zone. Friends, I'm going to mark one chart here. So it can be any company. It always trade like this. For this level, we call it as a support zone. For this level, we call it as a resistance zone. Once market breaks this level, and it is going to create new level. For this level, we call it as a resistance zone. So earlier, this was a resistance zone. Now it will act as a support zone. In case if market breaks this level and market create a new resistance zone, this level earlier it was a resistance zone, now which will act as a support zone. Now this level which has been acting as a resistance zone. In a same way, downside also. So let's say that market is trading like this. If market breaks this level, if market breaks this level earlier it was a support zone. Now this level which will act as a resistance zone. Let's say that market has been trading like this. So this level which will act as a support zone. This will act as a resistance zone. In case if market breaks this level and created a new low, this low which will act as a support zone. This will act as a resistance zone. I hope you got some clear idea about resistance zone and support zone. Friends, when market is in a correction mode, when market is trading at the support zone, buyers they will buy the maximum and they will stop the market falling further. In the same way, when market is trading at the higher levels in the resistance zone, sellers they will sell the maximum and they are going to stop the market going further. Friends, with regards to the support zone and resistance zone, I can give multiple examples. You can see here Asian Paint for a long time. So this level, it has been acting as a major resistance zone. This level, which has been acting as a support zone. So for a long time, Asian Paint has been trading in this level. So it can be any company or any script. It always trade in a chart. It always trade with a range band. So I'm going to give one more example. You can see the chart of Reliance Industry. For a long time, Reliance has been trading in this range band. So this one has been acting as a support zone. This level, which has been acting as a resistance zone. In the same way, Nifty also trade with a range band. Nifty also trade with a support zone and resistance zone. Before the Indian general election, 21,500, which has been acting as a major support zone, 23,500 level, this has been acting as a major resistance zone for a long time. So Nifty has been traded in this range band. After the general election, so market was expecting a clear majority, but we didn't get the clear majority. That's the reason market has corrected a lot. So after 2 days, what happened is we got new government. So after that, market has broken this level. After that, we have seen one of the biggest rally in Indian equity market. From last 10-15 days, Indian equity market, which is in a correction mode, earlier we had a strong support at 25,000 level, but this 25,000 level, it was a major support zone. This support has broken in earlier. Now 24,000 level, which has been acting as a major support zone. So yesterday, this support was broken, but today there is a strong green candle has been formed here. In case if market sustained above this level, we can expect some more upside momentum in the market. Friends, when market is in a correction mode, based on the percentage, based on the situation, we call that percentage and we call that situation with a different name. The first one is pullback. What do you mean by pullback? Let's say that from last 1 week, market is in a bullish mode. So market is trading all-time high. So after that, what will happen is, so there is a slight correction in the market, which is going to be around 3 to 5% of correction, which means that the people who have bought here, they are going to book the profit and market is going to relax here. For that situation, we call it as a pullback. Next one is correction. What do you mean by correction? Let's say that from last 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, so market is trading all-time high. Market is completely bullish mode. After that, what will happen is the people who have bought from this level, they are going to book the profit here. In that situation, market is going to correct around 8 to 10 percentage, which is going to be a healthy correction. Right now, Nifty has corrected from 26,000 to 24,000, which is around 10 percentage of correction, which is a healthy correction. In case if markets started to fall further, which is 15 to 20 percentage of correction, for that we call it as a bear market. Next one is market crash. Friends, when there is a pandemic, as we know that during the COVID, across the globe, all the equity market, they have corrected around 30 to 40 percentage. During the war, any pandemic or any uncertainty, in that situation, market is going to correct around 30 to 35 percentage. For that, we call it as a market crash. Next one is recession. Friends, it can be any country. If country is facing any economic slowdown, economic recession, in that time, equity market, they are going to correct around 40 to 50 percentage of correction. I would like to give one example. During the 2008, across the globe, we had one of the biggest recession in the world. In that time, US market, Indian market, they have corrected around 40 to 50 percentage. Friends, in this video, we have discussed about why Indian equity market, which is in a correction mode, which is in a volatile mode, as well as we have discussed about Nifty technical levels. Friends, this video is only for education purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please share it with your community. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you so much.